I call on Ateneo de Manila University to act with urgency, transparency, and accountability in pursuing justice for Rene Clark Baterbonia and Divine Adili. No family should have to wait indefinitely to clear answers about the circumstances surrounding the tragic loss of their loved ones. I urge ADMO and the Society of Jesus to fully disclose all relevant information to ensure that everyone found responsible is held accountability in accordance with the law. Justice delayed is justice denied. May Ateneo uphold the values is processed by placing truth, compassion, and accountability above all else. We stand in the solidarity with the families of Rene Clark Baterbonia in Divine Adili in their call for truth, justice, and meaningful reforms to help prevent similar tragedies from happening again. Justice for Rene and Divine Adili. We will not stop calling for justice for Rene and Divine Adili until the full truth is known and everyone found responsible is held accountable under the law. Please, if you know the truth, have the courage to speak. Do not let for influence or personal interest stand in the way of justice. We respectfully call on the authorities to conduct a fair, thorough, and impartial investigation. Carefully examine all the evidence and every important detail to determine what truly happened. We are not asking for theories, we are asking for the truth. Let us pursue this fairly. Let us fact and the evidence speak for themselves. Please do not delay any longer justice for Rene Baterbonia in Divine Adili. Silence protect reputation, action protect justice. Ateneo de Manila University, the time is now. Every profile picture tells a story today. Let yours send a clear message. Justice for Bobet in Divine. Boses ng ina ni Rene Baterbonia. Ang gusto lang namin ay magkaroon ng hustisya ang anak namin. Hindi na namin maibabalik ang kanyang buhay. Hindi na namin siya muling mayayakap o maririnig ang kanyang tawa. Ang tanging maipaglalaban na lamang namin ay ang kanyang katotohanan at katarungang nararapat sa kanya. Bilang mga magulang, napakasakit mawala ng anak, lalo na kung marami pang tanong ang nananatiling walang kasagutan. Hindi kami susuko dahil ang pagmamahal ng isang magulang ay hindi namamatay. Hanggang sa huli, patuloy naming ipaglalaban ang hustisya para sa aming anak, sa pag-asang mananaig ang katotohanan at wala nang ibang pamilyang dadaan sa ganitong matinding pagdurusa. Rene Baterbonia. Justice for Rene Baterbonia in Divine Adili. Hindi siya sikat na artista, hindi rin politiko o mayamang personalidad. Isa lamang siyang kabataang nangarap na makaahon sa buhay at mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ang kanyang pamilya. Ngunit sa kanyang pagpanaw biglang nakilala ang pangalan ni Rene Baterbonia. Maraming tao ang naantig sa kanyang kwento at humanga sa kanyang kababaang loob, sipag at pagmamahal sa kanyang mga magulang at mga kapatid. Bukod sa pagiging mahusay na manlalaro ng basketball, nagsilbi rin siyang inspirasyon sa maraming kabataan na mangarap, magsikap at mahalin ang kanilang pamilya. Sa paglipas ng panahon, patuloy na nabubuhay ang kanyang alaala sa puso ng mga taong natutong humanga, magmahal sa kanya. Rene Baterbonia, Bobet Clark Baterbonia. Justice for Rene Baterbonia. Justice for Rene Baterbonia. Justice for Divine Adili. Justice for them. Justice ang isinisigaw ng taong bayan, lalong-lalo na ang mga OFWs around the world. Justice for Rene and Divine Adili. Justice for them.